You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Kunle Afod is a popular name when it comes to acting, directing and film production. Popularly recognized and known by movie fans, particularly the Yoruba film lovers. He enjoys the encouragement and care of fans worldwide. Each year, Kunle Afod has always celebrated his first daughter's birthday, which he had long before marrying Desola, his 4 boys' mother. Kunle Afod posted photos of his daughter to celebrate her birthday and wrote, he posted another picture and captured it. Kunle Afod was born in Lagos on the 24th of October 1973 and comes from Oyo State. He grew up in Lagos Avenue. Before moving to Oyo State, he did his primary school in Lagos. He then attended high school Command in Jos, where he finished his secondary education. Though he has acted in more than 100 Nollywood films, most of which are Yoruba films, the actor has also created something worthwhile under the mentorship of veteran actors like late Jide Ogungbade, whom his mother introduced to him, Adebayo Salami, Red, Iyawero, Ben Tomoloju, Jaman Anikulapo and others. He acted as a student trainee. He is well known for his 3 films, Odiada in 2005, Orejomi in 2005, and Nkan Agbara in 2008. Though the journey went up and down, Kunle Afod has preserved and is considered a veteran today.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.